Welcome to Krishna Consultants, KC Overseas Education Private Limited. This video is to guide you with the step-by-step process for doing an application on the EdTech platform of Krishna Consultants, the KC Course Finder online application portal. Let us start by typing Krishna Consultants on Google. The very first link that we see is of Krishna Consultants website, that is www.studies-overseas.com. On the KC website, let us click the tab for Partners and we will click on Course Finder in the drop-down. You may now log in with your registered email address with Krishna Consultants and enter the required password. If you do not recollect the password, you may click on Forgot Password so that the reset instructions are sent to your registered email ID. Your registered email ID with Krishna Consultants is the Course Finder user ID. Once you log in, you come to the dashboard wherein you'll see Manage Students, Manage Applications, Search Program, Commission Info, Webinars, Contact List, Elan Overseas Education Loans, and Tutorial. Now let's proceed by clicking your name in the drop-down on the right corner of the screen. Click on Profile. You may now check your name, mobile number, email ID, company's name, and other details. Make the required changes if any and click on Save. The next step is Manage Counselors, wherein you can see the list of your counselors that you must have previously added. You may also add new counselors further. For example, one for UK, one for Canada and other countries as required, and give them the counselor credentials of the KC Course Finder. This will help them to log in the KC Course Finder with their own credentials of counselors access, and you can monitor them using the Parent Course Finder user ID. Whenever you add a new counselor, you can view details in the list of your counselors, and as and when required, you may disable or edit the counselor's details. You can also click on Change Password to change your present password with a new password as required. The next drop-down is Logout. Now we click on Dashboard, wherein you can see the commission information, webinar registration links, the region-specific KC contact list, and a tutorial as well. On clicking Manage Students, you will see a list of all your students that you are doing through KC. You may click on Register a new student, enter the first name, middle name, last name, and the other essential details. Then click on Register Student. The next page that you come on is the Profile section. You may enter the personal information fields like the mailing address, permanent address, the required passport information, nationality details, the background information, and the emergency contact name and number. Please ensure that you are filling up all the required mandatory fields in the form. Once done, click on Save. The next step that you come to is the Academic Qualification tab in the Profile section. Here, we need to enter the required details of the student's education summary, that is, graduation, 12th, 10th, and save them accordingly. Once we finish, we click on Continue and come to the next tab, that is Work Experience. This is an optional tab, but if the student has any work experience, then do enter the required details, as this makes the student's profile stronger. Click on Save and then continue to go to the next tab, Tests. Here, a list of all tests is specified: GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, IELTS, PTE, Duolingo English Test, SAT, and ACT. You need to enter details of the test or tests taken by the student. For applicants who have appeared for IELTS, their overall score and scores in individual bands are to be entered accordingly. You may then click on Save and Continue and move to the next section, Applications. Here, you can search for programs that you wish to apply for the student by clicking on Quick Add Program. Enter the required details of the year, intake, institution, and course name. Then click on the tab Add. You may select multiple courses and programs from different universities for one student. You can submit a maximum of 10 applications for one student in total, out of which 5 can be for UK. You may also click on the tab Search Program. Here, you may enter the required course name in Search for Courses. You may select the required intake, the year, and then click on Advanced Search. You can also apply a filter in the program level, select the required countries, study area, discipline area, and in the requirements section, you might check the options like without GRE, without GMAT, without IELTS as applicable, and then click on Search. As per your search requirement, you can see a list of results found which are arranged in the order of their rankings from top to bottom. You may then apply different filters for these universities, such as the program level, fees, backlogs, IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, and other requirements, which will further help you refine your results. You may shortlist the required courses in a particular institution by clicking on the radio button Shortlist and then click on Associate Shortlisted Courses. Now you can see the list of programs that you shortlisted for a student. If you wish to remove any program, you may remove it. The next step is to click on Upload Documents, which include Standard 10th Mark Sheet, Standard 12th Mark Sheet, the Bachelor's Individual Mark Sheets, the Provisional Degree, the Declaration, copy of Passport, Statement of Purpose as applicable. The required documents have to be uploaded here. Now please proceed by clicking on the tab Pay Application Fees. In the Apply Promo Code text box, please enter the promo code shared by us to avail the discount on application fees. You may click on Pay Now for using the Razor Pay platform, which is integrated with our Course Finder portal. You can pay using multiple options such as your debit card, your credit card, wallets, UPI, net banking, etc. If you wish to pay later, you may click on Pay Later and it will ask for the credit card details. If you wish to give the same, you may provide the required details or you may click on Skip and Submit. Once you click the same, you may see the application submitted for the respective institutions with the different acknowledgement numbers getting generated for the same student. This enables you to use the KC Course Finder platform to make multiple applications for the same student for different programs in different countries by entering the information just once. If you wish to apply for some other program for the same student later, you may do so by going to the Manage Students tab. In the Manage Students tab, you may see all your students with the respective status of their applications. You may click on the application status link for your required student. This takes you to the profile section page again, where you can see that all your information entered is complete or not. You may now click on the tab Applications and then click on Apply to Programs to be able to apply to a different program for the same student. For any communication that is required to be done, whether it may be sending a document or to communicate something to our business unit team members, you may go to Manage Applications tab and then click on the application status. You can now see all your applications for different universities or institutions. If you wish to provide any further comments or submit any more documents, you may do so by clicking on one of the desired applications and using the feature Comments in the bottom left corner. Click on Send, and then an email notification goes to the business unit person at KC who will be handling that application. This enables a smooth communication between you and our business unit team for applications of your students. To search for courses and university options and to submit an application for your next student, you may click on Dashboard and on Search Program. While counseling, if you need to provide a list of shortlisted programs for your students, you may click on the Search Program tab, enter the required details as explained previously, and then click on Search. By doing this, you can shortlist and download the desired options from over 70,000 courses available on KC Course Finder in the form of an Excel sheet. You also have an option of comparing 5 courses at a time. The list of these courses can be downloaded separately as an Excel sheet and shared with the student. We also have a live chat feature on our KC Course Finder portal by the name of Talk To. All you need to do is enter your name and email ID, and you can do a live chat with our business unit team. We welcome your feedback and suggestions regarding our Course Finder portal, for which you can use the Feedback tab on the left side of the screen. We'll surely try and incorporate the changes wherever feasible. We hope that the tutorial will be useful to you and to your team, and you can connect with us anytime for any of your queries related to Course Finder. We value your association with us and look forward to mutual growth with combined efforts.